Let's take a moment to take a closer look at Arboretum Deluxe by Renegade Game Studios. Nowhere is nature's beauty quite so evident as in the beautiful colors of an arboretum. In Arboretum, you can create carefully planned paths for your visitors to walk as they take in the colorful explosion of buds and leaves. The cheerful cherry blossoms, the fragrant dogwood, the mighty oak all have a place in this peaceful haven. But the tranquil setting belies the game's competitive heart. You must choose which cards to plant in your arboretum and which to keep in hand, as only the most expert curator will win the renown of nature enthusiasts everywhere. This game is for 2 to 4 players that lasts around 30 minutes. Be sure to pick up this deluxe version at your friendly local game store.